This episode is sponsored by Squarespace. It's thanks to their support that our videos like this and more are possible. We just launched our new website on Squarespace and are really impressed. You can check out the link in the description. If you need a website yourself, get 10% off by going to squarespace.com/makeeverything.
The genesis of the trike all starts with the buffalo. And that sounds weird, but a friend of a friend has this business called Buffalo by Bike. And what he does is he goes around to local markets with buffalo meat in his freezer, and he couldn't carry it on his bike anymore. So my buddy Carl was like, hey, can we make this thing in your shop? And I was like, sure, what's this thing? And this thing was an added-on back part, like a deck, to a bike, and we kind of made it, and it worked, and it was like whatever. But then we were like, it came down to genesis of like, what can we do to push cargo on bikes? And the big thing we came down to is like, well, it has to haul 200 pounds, and that's what the standard is. And we were like, 200? We want it like, no, 400 pounds easy. But the problem was, you get a normal bike, and like you get 400 pounds on it, and everybody just tips over. And we were like, oh, trike. And so it all came to be like, oh my God, we could make it so strong you could carry 5 people and ha ha ha. And so it just kind of like seriously just started going up and up and up and doing more and more and more. And we're like, what can we do with this? How do we make this? What do we do to make it cool? And we researched, like, I looked at like semis and trucks and other tricycles too from like Shanghai and China. And where like primary transport is done by bicycle human power. And we kind of married it all together into this cargo trike. And on my particular one, I was like, I want it to be a fat wheel bike. That's just funny. A fat trike with, an 800 watt motor assist, a differential in the rear. I wanted lights on there, side running lights, like a semi with turn signals and a horn, because you got to be safe. But all that had to still look like a bike. It still had to look flowy and had nice lines like a bike, because you look at some other things and they're just like, yeah, it's very industrial, and I wanted more beauty to it. So the whole cargo trike thing came out of like this necessity to push an envelope that wasn't out there yet. And everywhere you go on this, I mean, this is a 9-foot long, 200-pound cargo trike that you can put your feet up on the fork and you're not pedaling, you're going down the street, and people have no idea what they're looking at. They're just, what the hell is that? But you're usually gone by so quick that they don't know. And I've been pulled over by cops, firemen, yelled at me to come over, and you start talking about this and how it impacts your environment, and that I don't have to drive my truck all the time. So it just came kind of out of necessity that wasn't necessary yet. Everybody's got, I got a cargo bike. Yeah, I can haul my 70-pound cooler. And we're like, we'll haul you, your bike, your 70-pound cooler on the back of our cargo trike. Let's go to the beach.
Thanks again to Squarespace for making this episode possible. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make your next move with Squarespace. Create a beautiful website with their all-in-one platform, no coding experience required. They have a ton of templates to choose from, so you don't have to start your designs from scratch. Squarespace provides award-winning 24/7 customer support, and it's simple to set up or transfer an existing domain to Squarespace, so all your websites live in one place. We just transferred our website to Squarespace and really love how easy it is to use and how great our content looks on their platform. Start your new free trial today at squarespace.com/makeeverything to get 10% off your first purchase. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and check out other content we have covering a wide variety of topics. Also, if you've enjoyed these series, consider supporting us on Patreon. We are largely a fan-funded channel and depend on the support of our viewers in order to keep our series going. Thanks for watching.